Today we're going to look at how the Chromebook kiosk mode works for our pre-K and kindergarten students. When a Chromebook is powered on, this is the loading screen that they would see. You have the option here of going directly into the kiosk, and so that way you don't have to sign in with credentials. If you did want to sign in with credentials, you can do that here under the Add Person button, and then here under Apps, we do have iStation loaded, where our users can get directly into iStation by going to this app without having to sign in at all. But let's say we want to do another program like Imagine Math or Blueprint. We can go into the kiosk here, and then these are touchscreens, so users don't have to use the trackpad or the mouse. They can just click directly onto the screen. They do have to accept permissions to use the kiosk mode, and by accepting those permissions, it takes you onto this loaded page here. So from this screen here at the top, we have a bookmark bar, and in that bookmark bar is a folder called Rockwall ISD, and inside of there there's a direct link to Imagine Math / Blueprint there. Users can also scroll over here on the page to find other programs that we use. When the user goes directly to Imagine Math to access Imagine Math Blueprint, they can select here, and now you have the option of entering your user credentials with the login cards that the teacher provides, or they can even just scan the QR code here. So by selecting scan the QR code, that activates the camera. They hold the QR code up to the camera and it signs them directly into the program. Or they can manually type their username, password, and site code here, tap login, and that will also give them access to the program. Alternatively, if a user doesn't want to use the kiosk mode but does want to sign in directly, there are specific benefits for that as well. So once they sign into the Chromebook with their credentials, it pulls up our Google Apps dashboard. And on that apps dashboard, users are able to sign in with one click into many programs that the district provides. So if they are on this page here on the dashboard and they need to get back to it, they can always hit the home button, and that will take them back to their dashboard page here. And then that single click allows them to sign in directly to programs without having to enter any user credentials. That Google single sign-on allows that to happen. They're also able to access several programs that we have that don't provide single sign-on, but it still takes them to the login page here from this dashboard. So if I wanted to do eStar, I could select that, and then that gives me the sign-in page in order to access that program. And I would have to enter user credentials there. Also on that dashboard, we have several other programs that may not even require sign-in, such as our additional online resources, as well as that same page we saw when we used the kiosk that takes us to our online learning resources. And again, if they need to get back to their dashboard, they can always hit the home button. And it's also the loading page that loads the first time that they open up Chrome.